You ever notice something? Jamaicans don't really like confrontation. We like commentary. Big difference. If something bother we not always gonna address it direct. We gonna sidestep it. If somebody loud on the phone in public, we not telling them lower it. We gonna say loud enough. Some people not know say them there in a public and keep walking. If somebody cut in front of we in line, we not saying excuse me. We gonna say what kind of hurry that? To nobody in particular, but everybody hear it, and the funniest part, the person we're talking about know is them, and nobody now call name. It's like we train for talk around the issue, not through it. And sometimes it's funny, but sometimes it's why small things stay big long, because instead of one straight sentence, we give 5 side comments and a whole audience. So we stay though, indirect, expressive, strategic with the volume. Real talk. So it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.